We have updates on immigration matters. Scandal at ICE Detention Center in Washington. Private operator resists state investigation into detainee complaints. Also, in La Lupa Electoral, our new section of politics and education for immigrants. How do U.S. presidential elections work? Key insights into the electoral system. I'll tell you all about it below.
Welcome to the Quiroga Law Office Weekly News section. This is a space where we share all the latest immigration updates. This is the most important immigration news of the week. We invite you to stay tuned.
Trump threatens the largest deportation operation in history if he returns to the presidency. Trump's threatened to carry out the largest deportation operation in history if he returns to the U.S. presidency, reiterating his commitment to end the current administration's open borders policy. According to Trump's former immigration advisor, Stephen Miller, deportations could begin at noon on the day of the inauguration. While 81% of Republican voters support these statements, 53% of general voters disagree, revealing a division in public opinion. A scandal at the ICE Detention Center in Washington. Private operator resists state investigation into detainee complaints. The Washington Department of Health accused the private prison operator, GEO Group, of obstructing investigations into complaints from detainee in the ICE Processing Center in Tacoma. Department employees were blocked in November when trying to enter, according to the federal court complaint. Detainee complaints include lack of medical attention, unsafe food, and unsanitary conditions. The operator claims to have acted under ICE orders and argues federal jurisdiction. Beware! Warnings about the green card for being in the U.S. for 10 years, scam. Unscrupulous individuals offer a green card for living in the U.S. for 10 years. Be careful, as this is a scam. It's only possible to obtain a green card by meeting specific time requirements, having eligible relatives, and meeting particular conditions. Don't let immigration consultants and notaries to take control of your immigration situation. Consult with an immigration lawyer to explore genuine legal options and avoid fraud. ICE facilitates the expulsion of thousands of undocumented immigrants on flights to multiple destinations. In recent days, in a joint operations between ICE, DHS, and CBP, expulsion flights have deported over 482,000 undocumented immigrants, including 81,000 individual family units, in the last 7 months. Main destinations include countries in Central America, Colombia, and Venezuela, among others. These numbers nearly double the removals from fiscal year 2019 and surpass the figures of 2015 to 2018. The U.S. ensures that immigrants are examined to determine valid protection claims. La Lupa Electoral. How do U.S. presidential elections work? Keys to understanding the electoral system. The United States elects its president indirectly through electoral colleges, composed of 538 members assigned according to the state population. The goal is to reach at least 270 electoral votes. Primaries, starting in Iowa and continuing until June, allow citizens to influence candidates on the November ballot. Summer conventions proclaim the candidates, and in the fall, focused on the key states. On January 20, the president-elect officially assumes office. 2024 is crucial. Take action to fix your status. Contact us to assist you.
This has been the news summary for this week, brought to you by Quiroga Law Office. Remember to follow us on our social media platforms. Don't forget to share this news recap so that the entire immigrant community can stay informed and up to date on the most relevant topics that matter to us, immigrants in the United States.